How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Stamps Bros. I'm David. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and sorry we haven't posted for about 2 weeks. I came back from vacation with a cold, but we're here now with your guys' favorite video, a wash and review, and we got the Rivian R1S in. Starting off with performance, on a single charge, this thing can drive up to 300 miles at 700 kilometers, and it can reach speeds of 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy an in-depth review of the Rivian R1S. And we're starting off with the wheels. And for everyone that doesn't know, we're starting off the wheels because they're the dirtiest part of the vehicle. And we don't want to clean the vehicle, then go back, clean the wheels, and have whatever's on the wheels splash back up onto the paint, and then rewash the vehicle. It just wastes a ton of time. So we're starting off the wheels, and it's arguably the most satisfying part. If your soap is turning white, not brown, that means you're done. Now, if you're one of those people that like to off-road, I wouldn't pass on the Rivian just yet. It does have 17.5 clearance with 3 feet of water fording capability. And like I mentioned before, it does do 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. So if you want to go up a mountain, you can do so in 10 seconds flat. But I wouldn't quote me on that. Also, we're having a little bit of trouble with a pressure washer, so I had to bust out the long wand. But remember, it's not about the size, it's how you use it. So we're going in to our 2-bucket wash method. We do use touchless soaps here at Stamps Bros, but because of the service that's getting done, we have to make sure all the crevices are properly clean. So we will be doing a contact wash with the 2-bucket wash method. So we are using the 3 pH wash system by Labo Cosmetica. I will leave that link down in the description to their website, so you guys can go check out their store. While you're checking out their store, give us a like and a subscribe. We really appreciate it. And we have an online store as well. Check that out. We sell cool t-shirts like the one I'm wearing, sweaters, hoodies. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have beanies on there pretty soon, and a lot more. So go check that out. So we're using the 2-bucket wash method. I'm gonna rinse my wash mitt. Every panel I'm gonna flip the wash mitt. And then when I use both sides, I'm gonna rinse it in one bucket, rinse it in the other bucket, and then come over and start scrubbing again. This thing's a lot taller than I thought. That's at 17.5 clearance. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's 2 buckets here. Both of them are decently warm. I'm gonna squeeze all the water off as possible so the wash mitt can do its job. You're gonna wash in straight lines, never circles. That's how you get those swirl marks. Try and get in all the crevices. We will be taking a brush to this afterwards. And before anyone says in the comments, you didn't wash the other 3 wheels, we did. We just did it off camera, so you guys didn't have to watch 20 minutes of us cleaning wheels. So again, getting all the crevices. It's getting PPF done, so we just wanna make sure that we can wrap all the PPF without any dust being underneath there. If you guys are interested in our services, you can give me a call at 403-680-9991. or visit us at stansbrodetailing.com. Or you can come hang out in the shop. We're located at 2719 7th Avenue Northeast. Yes, I forgot that really quick. Can't remember everything, guys. And if you're wondering if this will scratch the car, yes. Will we be polishing before the PPF goes on? Yes. And for those of you that don't know, PPF does cover up to 3,000 grit scratches. So even though we're polishing, we're extra safe. Well, that was a lot easier than normal. It's because I got the bigger wand. Maybe size does matter. And if you're worried it's not family friendly, well, you're wrong. I know it does 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. I know it can go off-roading, but it can also sit 7 people. And like I mentioned before, you get 300 miles, 700 kilometers off 1 charge. That's insane. Just like Primus, which is a touchless wash, but we're doing a contact wash just to make sure we get all the dirt. Yes, I like to use a lot of soap, but it looks freaking fantastic. Let us know down in the comments what other content you guys want to see. We know you like the wash and review videos. That's why that's the first video we're bringing to you guys on this new year. But if you guys do want to see any kind of other content, we are planning on going to a track this year and do some more content there. I'll share some more details on Instagram, which you guys should go follow. It's Stance Bros. We also have a lot of content coming with Greg from Masterson's. I don't know if you know them, but stick around if you're a fan of their brand. We're going to be doing some stuff with them as well. I don't believe we're debadging it this time. Now, I do want to talk about one thing and one thing only, probably the one thing I hate that Rivian did, and it's these stupid things here. And if you actually Google them, it's for aerodynamics, which makes no sense because they're behind the wheel. All it does is shoot up a bunch of rocks, and that's one of the main reasons they're actually coming in to get PPF, is we're going to PPF all the way down here and full front. You know, I'm becoming a fan of the bigger wand, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I know it's gonna be a different story when I'm over against the wall and trying to turn it without hitting the wall of the vehicle. But as of right now, it's actually making things a lot easier. So my camera woman just pointed out that you guys couldn't see what I was talking about. Down here is one of the things that I don't really like about Rivian, other than it being electric, is this little hole that's right here, right behind the front wheel, that the designers didn't think that a bunch of rocks are gonna shoot up and hit the rocker panels. They say it's for aerodynamics, which makes absolutely no sense, but that is what I was talking about. That and the fact that this is electric are the two things I hate about Rivian. Other than that, looks amazing, off-roads, 0 to 60, 3 seconds, and family friendly. So right now we have Purifica sitting on here from 𝐑𝐄𝐋𝐄𝐕𝐀𝐍𝐓, and like I said before, we normally have touchless washes. This one here has to be touchless. This actually takes the place of a clay bar and iron decontamination on lightly contaminated vehicles. So if you're somebody that's, for lack of a better term, lazy and just wants to spray soap on top of your vehicle, let it sit and let it decontaminate the vehicle, then check out 𝐑𝐑𝐄𝐋𝐄𝐕𝐀𝐍𝐓. The link will be down in the description. Now, I did want to take the time to talk to you guys about this one fact, which I found kind of funny, but it's called the camp kitchen feature, basically, on the Rivian, and it turns the rear trunk into a fully functional kitchen when you're camping. So talk about being family friendly. It has 7 seats, 300 miles per charge, and you can turn the back of it into a kitchen. That is ridiculous. I'm starting to love this car more and more. But we're gonna go ahead and rinse this off, and it will be smooth just like after you normally clay it. Now we're gonna dry the car with our super plushy, super soft drying towel from the Rag Company. Check them out. These premium materials, so you'll almost never scratch your car. Every time you do take a towel to your car, there is a chance of scratching it. This is gonna minimize it times 1,000. And it takes very little effort with this towel. I'm not even trying to dry it completely. It's okay if this streaks a little bit because we're gonna be polishing it later, and that's just gonna make it look like a mirror again anyways. We're just trying to get the bulk of the water off, and then we're good. So all the products that we use to clean the outside of the vehicle will be down in the links in the description. I especially want you guys to check out 𝐑𝐑𝐄𝐈𝐀𝐍𝐓, especially if you like taking care of your own vehicle. The 3 pH wash system washes your entire vehicle, decontaminates it, and protects it, all while doing it touchlessly. So if you like to take care of your own vehicle, check out 𝐑𝐑𝐄𝐈𝐀𝐍𝐓. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give us a like, subscribe, let us know down in the comments what other videos you guys want to see. It's a brand new year. We want to bring this channel to new heights. Let us know what you guys want to see, and thank you so much for being a part of our journey and continuing to support us. Catch you guys on the next detail.
Here at Stance Bros, we're recognized as one of Calgary's premier detailing spas. Our meticulous attention to detail ensures every vehicle entrusted to us leaves looking its best. Join us on this channel as we showcase our passion for cars, detailing expertise, and exciting car content. At Stance Bros, we're cultivating a community united by our passion for all things automotive.
Nice stance, bro.